Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn another interesting lesson from our moral science book, lesson number 9, My Country. So, children, our country is India. We are all Indians. We should respect our country and we should feel very proud to be an Indian. Every citizen should feel like the country is the best country in the world because our India is a complete treasure of different cultures and traditions and many languages and many religions also. So every Indian should be proud of our country and respect our country, national flag and national symbols and also the great leaders of our country. And as a good citizen, we should be always ready to contribute to our country at any cost. So let's learn about the story of Tinku to know more about our country and our national festivals. Tinku returned home happily. Tomorrow was a holiday. There was no need for her to get up early and rush to school because it's a public national holiday. So she decided that she would sleep a little more, 2 hours extra, and get relaxed and get even breakfast and spend time very happily because there is no school because it's a national holiday. Her mother asked her the reason for her happiness. Why don't you have to go to school tomorrow? She asked like this. It's a holiday, she replied. Tomorrow is the 26th January. It's not a holiday. It's the Republic Day, her mother said. She did not like the fact that her daughter thought that such an important day as just as a holiday. So the mother explained to Tinku that it was a disrespectful to the nation if we consider these national festivals as a holidays. Even though it's a national holiday, you should not think it is just a normal holiday. You need to give respect towards these holidays because of many soldiers and great leaders who fought with other people who got the independence for us. So we should respect our country. These are the occasions to pay homage to our great nation and its values. These are the days to remember and cherish the memories of our soldiers who laid their lives to protect us. These are the moments that serve as a reminder of our duties towards our nation. So, her mother said all these things to the Tinku. What can we do to celebrate such days, mom? Tinku asked and wanted to know also. How can we pay homage to our nation and remember our great leaders? We can promise to be good citizen of our nation, mother began to explain. We can behave in a responsible manner. We can show sympathy and consideration for others. Can't we, mother? Tinku asked excitedly. Exactly, mother replied. We can watch out for our friends and neighbors and help them in their honor of deed. By doing this, we will honor our great leaders. So her mom said, if you are a good citizen, if you are helping everybody who are in need, and if you are following the traffic rules and the rules of the country, and if you are doing something for the community and the society and environment, you are a good citizen. Like these, you can pay homage to the great leaders who fought with many people and gave us the independence. So, by being a good citizen, we will give our homage and respect to the country, our India. Let's do worksheet, children. Okay? Question and answers. First question. Name the national festivals. So, the national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day, Teachers Day, Gandhi Jayanti. All these are national festivals and you can write many number of national festivals on your own also. Second question. When are these festivals celebrated? We celebrate these festivals in different dates like August 15th we celebrate Independence Day, January 26th we celebrate Republic Day, on September 5th we celebrate Teachers Day, on November 14th we celebrate Children's Day. Like these we celebrate on different dates. Third question. Who was the first president of India? Babu Rajendra Prasad is the first president of India. Fourth question. How many colors are there in the national flag? There are 3 colors in the national flag. Fifth question. What is the name of the current president and prime minister of our country? Our current president is Ramnath Kovind and the prime minister is Narendra Modi. Next, going to be bit think and answer, children. You can do it on your own also. First question. Tinku's mother was not happy with her daughter's plans for the Republic Day. Do you agree with her reason? Answer. Tinku mother was really correct because we should not plan these national holidays as another holiday. We should respect these days and you should pay homage for the matriarchs. Second question. Why must we pay homage to our matriarchs? We must pay homage to our soldiers and matriarchs because they laid their lives to protect us. Third question. How do you feel about your country? We feel very proud to be an Indian and proud for our country, India. Fourth question. Can you think of any other way to celebrate our national festivals? Yes, we can celebrate these national festivals in different ways also by helping the persons who are in need of help and by following the rules and regulations and by respecting our national flags and our country. So children, I hope that you all finish this worksheet along with me. All these answers need to be written by your own only. That's why I'm not providing you the answers here. Okay, that's all for now. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.